candy! Just hearing the word makes your mouth water. Lollipops, chocolates, gummies, so many shapes and colors and flavors. We all have our favorites. But have you ever wondered how candy is made? Let's take a trip to a land of sugar and see how these sweet treats come to life. Imagine a world where rivers are made of chocolate and mountains are made of fudge. Okay, maybe not quite like that, but almost as delicious. Making candy is like magic, transforming simple ingredients into amazing treats. It's a bit like cooking, but with a whole lot of sweetness added in. We'll learn about the history of candy, from ancient times to today. Get ready for a sugary adventure. Making candy isn't just about mixing sugar and water, it's a science. The process involves precise measurements and careful timing to create the perfect treat. It starts with a simple ingredient, sugar. This sugar can come from various sources, such as sugar cane or sugar beets. When we heat sugar with water, it dissolves and forms a syrup. This syrup is the foundation of many types of candy. This syrup is the base of almost all candies. From street vendors to large factories, this step is crucial in the process. As we boil the syrup, the water evaporates, and the sugar concentration increases. This is a critical step in candy making. This process is crucial because it determines the texture of our candy. The temperature and duration of boiling are key factors. If we boil it for a short time, we get soft candies like fudge. These candies are chewy and melt in your mouth. Boil it longer and we get hard candies like lollipops. These candies are crunchy and last longer. This magic happens because of something called crystallization. Crystallization is the process where sugar molecules arrange themselves into a solid form. As the syrup cools down, sugar molecules start to stick together and form crystals. The rate of cooling can affect the size of these crystals. The size of these crystals determines how hard or soft the candy will be. Smaller crystals make for smoother, softer candies, while larger crystals create a harder texture. We've got our sugar syrup. Now let's turn it into candy. The transformation from a liquid syrup to a solid candy is fascinating. Think of it like this. We're controlling how sugar molecules behave. For hard candies, we need to cool the syrup quickly to create small crystals. That's why we pour it into molds and let it harden. For chewy candies, we cool it slowly, allowing larger crystals to form. Sometimes we add other ingredients like gelatin or corn syrup to change the texture. Gelatin gives gummies their chewiness, while corn syrup prevents crystallization and makes candies smooth. Each step, from boiling to cooling, requires precision. Candy makers use their knowledge and experience to create the perfect texture for each candy. Section 4. Ingredients, the sweet and the savory. What's candy without flavor? The essence of candy lies in its delightful taste, which is a result of a careful selection of ingredients. Besides sugar, candy makers use a variety of ingredients to create those delicious tastes we all love. These ingredients are meticulously chosen to ensure the perfect balance of sweetness and flavor. Fruits, nuts, chocolate, and more are often used to enhance the taste and texture of candies. Spices. The possibilities are endless. Each ingredient adds a unique twist, making every candy a new and exciting experience. Natural flavors come from fruits, which are often harvested at their peak to capture the best possible taste. Flowers and extracts from herbs and plants also contribute to the natural flavor profile of many candies. Artificial flavors, on the other hand, are created in labs to mimic natural flavors or invent new ones. These synthetic flavors can replicate the taste of fruits, spices, and even more complex profiles. Ever wondered how they get that bubblegum flavor? That's artificial. It's a fascinating blend of science and creativity. Colors are just as important as flavors. They make candies visually appealing and can even influence our perception of taste. Imagine a red lollipop that wasn't red. The vibrant color is part of the overall experience. Natural colors come from fruits, which are often used to create a range of beautiful hues. Vegetables and plants also provide natural dyes that are safe and appealing. Artificial colors, as you might guess, are man-made. They offer a broader spectrum of vibrant shades that can't always be achieved with natural sources. Remember, while candy is delicious, it's best to enjoy it in moderation. Too much of a good thing can be harmful. Too much sugar isn't good for our health. Balance is key to enjoying sweets without compromising well-being. Section 5. Candy factories, where dreams are made. Welcome to the magical world of candy production, where imagination meets reality and dreams come true. Ever wondered how candy is made on a large scale? It's a fascinating process that combines science, art, and a touch of magic, creating delightful treats. Let's step into a candy factory and see how it's done. From the moment you walk in, you're greeted by the sweet aroma of sugar and the hum of machinery working tirelessly. These factories are like giant kitchens, filled with massive machines and conveyor belts moving in every direction. Each machine has a specific role in the intricate candy-making process. Giant vats mix and heat enormous quantities of sugar syrup, creating the base for many types of candy. The precision in temperature and timing is absolutely crucial. Machines shape, cool, and wrap candies at lightning speed. It's a mesmerizing dance of technology, efficiency, and innovation. It's amazing to see how many candies are made every minute. Quality control is crucial. Every piece is inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards of excellence. Experts check the candies at every stage to ensure they meet the highest standards. This meticulous process guarantees that only the best candies make it to the shelves for you to enjoy. Only the best candies make it to the shelves. Each piece is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the factory workers, who take pride in their craft. Next time you enjoy a piece of candy, remember the journey it took from a simple sugar crystal to a delicious treat. It's a journey filled with passion, precision, and care. It's a fascinating blend of science, creativity, and a whole lot of sweetness. The next time you see a candy store, you'll know the incredible story behind each sweet creation, making it even more special.